So just a week or two back, I thought of starting to rework on my YouTube channel, which I had started way back in 2022. And YouTube has in fact made the monetization criteria less stringent now. So instead of 1000 subscribers, now you just need 500 subscribers, and you don't need just watch hours, so you can also create shorts and have views on your shorts, like some 3 million views on your shorts, to become eligible for monetization. So I, of course, didn't have much time to create videos, publish them, but given that so many people are using AI nowadays, I thought, let me find some tricks to get closer to this goal of monetization. So I came across this video wherein you can use chatgpt and canva to create bulk videos, and does publish shorts so that you can get more views on your YouTube channel. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to do that, and of course, you will have to change the method or the content slightly to adapt to your requirements, but this is just an example to show how easy it is. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you are interested in content, so I hope it is useful to you. So first, let's prepare the content part of it. Let's say you want to publish shorts that have quotes by designers, right? Now, instead of creating like one single shot of each quote, what you can do is just create a set of 30 quotes along with the author names, and import them into Canva to create bulk videos, right? So let's give the prompt as, please share 30 quotes by designers in a table format. So don't forget to mention this table format, because it is going to be helpful later on when we use this content in Canva. Okay, also share the author name. Okay, so right now, let's just assume all the content is right, but when you actually create the videos, just make sure there aren't any duplicate cases, or if a particular content doesn't match your requirement. All right, so right now, since we are focusing on the process, we'll just take this table as it is. Just select all the table, do Command C or Control C, whatever it is, go to a spreadsheet. I'll just create a new sheet over here, then just paste it. All right, just let me increase the column width. Now what you need to do is go to Canva. In Canva, I'll just select the template YouTube Shorts. So let me create a template. You can obviously use a template that you want, but I just prefer to create my own. So I'll look for some video which shows a designer working. I think this is a photo. I would prefer a video. Let's say this is the video I use, right? I set it as background. All right, I'll add some shape to kind of darken the background. Let's say this is the element. I'll change the color to black, increase the transparency. Okay, this should be fine. Now I just add two blocks of text. Both can be like subheadings, doesn't matter. You just need to make sure you're adding two fields. So here what we can do is we can add the author name, and here we can add the quote. I'll just make sure the spacing is enough so that if the quote is longer, then it can fit. Okay, now what I do is I go back to the sheet. I copy the first quote manually. Then I just paste it here. Then I copy the author name, paste it here. Let me make this text white in color. Now you can modify the design of these templates as and how you want. I just want to show you the process, so I won't like put in a lot of effort into it. Decrease the number of seconds. Let's say, like maybe 7 seconds. 7 seconds, like I think it should be enough to read the code. Okay, so now that I think this template is good enough, like I have two text fields wherein in the first one I'll enter the quote, and in the second one I'll enter the author name. I have like a good enough design. We'll start with the import of the table that we just created. Alright, so first what you do is, let me just move this. First what I'll do is I'll go to the apps. Then I'll search for bulk create. Click on bulk create. Okay, let me move this. Click on enter data manually. Click on clear table. So basically you don't want anything in this table. Now go to the sheet, just copy this entire table of 30 quotes, Control C. Now make sure you paste all the data in this first cell itself. Don't click here, because if you click here you won't like be able to use this feature. Okay, so just click here and do Control V or Command V, whatever. Now click on done. Now what you need to do is, so this is the first text field wherein you want to paste all of your quotes, right? So just right click on it, click on connect data, and click on this quote. So now you can see that there's like some curled brackets over here. So what Canva is going to do is, all the quotes that are present in this particular first column under the header quote are going to be published one by one. Alright, so that's what's going to happen. Now you click on the second field, do a right click, click on connect data, and connect it to the author. So now this also comes in curly brackets. Right, now just click on continue. So it will show you all the videos that Canva is going to create. So total of 30 videos. Suppose you think you don't need a particular video, you can just deselect it over here. Alright, and click on generate. So what Canva has done now is replicated the template to accommodate all the quotes that we just added to Canva. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Now what you need to do is, you can again like go through this content if you've not gone through it before and check if you need to make any changes. So for example, I don't want this particular word, right? I can just remove it. It won't make any difference. Nothing's gonna change for the process, right? Similarly, if I think that there's a lot of gap in between, so I can just maybe like realign the content. So this is not going to be applicable for all the other videos. This is going to be just for this particular video. Okay, when everything is ready to go, what you need to do is click on share, just move it now. Click on download, and click on this download pages as separate files. Now you will see this small crown icon over here, which means that you need to have Canva Pro for it. Alright, so completely up to you. I think you also get some free trial for Canva, but if you think you're going to use Canva regularly, I think it's a great software, and in India it doesn't cost much. Like, I guess I pay something around like 500 per month, so not very like expensive. I think a lot of us spend so much money on coffee or like cabs or restaurants that this is really an investment, and you shouldn't think twice before investing in it. So I just click on download, and it will basically download all the files separately for me. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, so now that the download has completed, let me check this. I'll get it in a zip format, and once I unzip it, I'll find all the videos over here. So I can either bulk upload them, or like, I think last time I tried doing this bulk upload, YouTube told me that I can upload only 15 shots at a time, like at a single time. So it's up to you. Anyway, you need to add names to all of them. So that's it. Let me know if you find this video useful, and if you try this. Also looking forward to creating and sharing more such tricks and tips with you.